Beep. Bob. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Western Gulf County in the Panhandle of Florida, Bay County in the Panhandle of Florida, Southern Walton County in the Panhandle of Florida, Southern Washington County in the Panhandle of Florida, until 400 p.m/300 p.m. At 226 p.m/126 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles southeast of Destin to 73 miles southwest of Port St. Joe, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Panama City, Lynn Haven, Panama City Beach, Callaway, Santa Rosa Beach, Springfield, Mexico Beach, Highland Park, Tyndall Air Force Base, Eglin Air Force Base, Parker, Freeport, Ebro, Alanton, Dorrego Park, College Station, Gulf Resort Beach, Blue Mountain Beach, Cape San Blas, and West Panama City. Precautionary/preparedness actions: remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Tallahassee. A tornado watch remains in effect until 700 p.m/600 p.m. for the Panhandle of Florida. & tornado. Possible hail threat. Radar indicated max hail size less than 75 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated max wind gust 60 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.